Dave, you know it's 4th of July.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
Our next video is going to be 4th of July.
Okay.
And to celebrate, I've got you a gift.
Right.
Well, I've got us both a gift, actually.
Right.
So, in there, if you don't mind, the white packet.
That one?
That one, yep. Light grey packet. Fire that bad boy open. And to celebrate our Dyno Day.
Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Good stuff.
I have bought you a slice of freedom, David. Yes. Yes.
Oh, see, can you see?
And I've got matching
Does anyone notice the words?
Oh, say, can you see?
God bless America. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
It's time. Fucking freedom. Let them eagles out, boys. We're ready.
We'll just leave that running so we gas out Euan. Just a deep breath. That's like half saluting the flag, half saluting the Third Reich.
Almost.
That's definitely going to get that video flagged.
Demonetized.
Demonetized. This t-shirt's actually really soft.
I don't even know I'm wearing it.
It's nice. Euan is a generous chap. He's over there putting extra fans on the car because it's like 32 degrees today and everything is running hot. Wait, a very important step. You'll turn off the aircon.
Yeah.
That's worth how many horsepower?
20%. 50% of horsepower.
Carry on now. Carry on now.
Sorted, isn't it?
That's it, sorted. It's going to run 400 now. To being higher. What's that?
Go rich, go home.
Yeah, go rich or go home. So the good news is that we have now on the Subarus, we have fire, I got another 10 horsepower for free. Dave's car was very, very hot. The pops and bangs work really well. That's about it, really, isn't it?
You're safe.
Fueling is in good condition. Thank you, Scott, for doing that. And as Andy says, go rich or go home. Both cars run really rich. You go rich, so you get to go home. So to finish off our 4th of July, we are having a Freedom Grill. Ignore the cheese, that's vegan, but the beef is there. I'm still wearing my awesome t-shirt because it was a gift. Dave, on the other hand, Dave refuses to wear the gift that I got for him because that's just how he rolls. So, time for a few beers, some more steak. So as always, thank you for watching. If you're American, happy Independence Day. If you're not American, thanks for watching and happy Wednesday. Thanks for watching, goodbye. Go watch something else, there's other videos. What is a Donderly light anyway? That's
By the dawn's early light.
not by the Donderly light.
No.
Are you kidding me on?
It's the dawn's early light. The Donderly light.
I didn't know what a Donderly light was. Now it's the Dawn's early light. Okay, I've got this. Yeah, cut.